Hello friend. We are going to look at the top 5 best wood router on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mention, check the description box below. Number 5. Earthspawn KH6804 Wood Router. The Earthspawn KH6804 Wood Router is a versatile wood router suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. It features an all-copper motor with 800 W of input power, ensuring efficient performance in shaping edges, cutting intricate designs, and hollowing out wood. The router also features an external carbon brush design for easy maintenance, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. The adjustable base height allows for precise cuts and shaping. The router is versatile, suitable for wood cutting, trimming, slotting, and hole making. It comes in 2 plug options, 220V with an EU plug and 110V with a US plug, allowing easy integration into different regions. With a no-load speed of 30,000 RPM. It can handle various materials and provide precision for detailed projects. The 1.4 meters power cord length provides flexibility in workspace. The router comes with or without a storage case, ensuring organization and protection when not in use. Number 4. 2-in Wood Router. The 2-in Wood Router is a versatile tool that is well designed and built with cemented carbide, making it durable and capable of withstanding the demands of woodworking projects. Its impressive power, with an input power of 800 W and a no-load speed of 30,000 RPM, makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. The router's collet diameter of 6.35 mm and 1/4 allows compatibility with various router bits, but it primarily excels at edging, veining, and grooving tasks. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The 2-meter length power cord and optional US plug EU plug allow for easy use in different regions. The router, along with the included router bits and accessories, is neatly packed in a case, making storage and transport hassle-free. Number 3. Woyofata Wood Router. The Woyofata Wood Router is a versatile and powerful tool for woodworking enthusiasts, offering a range of features to enhance the experience. Its brushless motor ensures consistent performance and operates on Makita 18V batteries, with options for small and large battery sizes. The router's transparent base provides a clear line of sight, ensuring precise cuts every time. It also features a standard 1/4 inch collet that accepts most router bits, allowing flexibility in tackling various tasks. The router allows for easy and accurate depth adjustments, especially for delicate inlays or deep grooves. It also offers 6 adjustable speeds, making it easy to control the tool's power according to the task at hand. This level of control is particularly useful for tasks like roundovers and flush trimming. The router is built to last, made from durable ABS plastic and metal to withstand the rigors of woodworking projects. Its robust construction ensures longevity, ensuring years of reliable service. Number 2. Anekfift Wood Router. The Anekfift Wood Router is a versatile and reliable wood router that offers a range of features. It is powered by a battery and compatible with Makita 18V batteries, featuring a brushless motor that delivers consistent power and torque. The router has chuck diameter options of 6 mm, 6.35 mm, and 8 mm, allowing for a variety of router bits. It has 5 gear settings, ensuring precision and power. The router is battery-powered, allowing for portability even without electricity. It has a variable speed range of 10,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. RPM, allowing for clean cuts on various wood types. It is compatible with both 50 Hz and 60 Hz frequencies, making it suitable for worldwide use. The router is built from durable ABS plastic and metal, ensuring its reliability for years to come. Number 1. Luidabi Wood Router. The Luidabi Wood Router is a reliable electric hand trimmer router designed for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. It features an all-copper motor with 800 W of power, ensuring consistent and powerful performance in various tasks. The router's external carbon brush design simplifies maintenance, allowing for quick replacement without disassembling the entire unit. The adjustable base height allows for flexibility in adjusting the router to meet specific needs, whether working on a fine detail or a larger project. The router is versatile, suitable for a range of woodworking tasks, including woodcutting, trimming, slotting, and hole making. It is suitable for professional cabinet makers, woodworkers, and artisan craftsmen. The router has voltage options of 220V, EU plug, and 110V, US plug, input power of 800 W, no load speed of 30,000 RPM, frequency of 50-60 Hz. collet diameter of 6.35 millimeters, and a power cord length of approximately 1.4 meters. This versatile router is a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast or professional. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.